some reason, probably because it is a Swedish company, this is to be said as Thule.
Well, there you have it. Thule. That's how you say it. As you guys might have known, I have a 2020 Tiguan. I put some miles on it. I think I was in need of a capacity upgrade. So we're gonna install this bad boy. So I went with the Brightlines roof rack crossbars from Amazon. They're pretty cheap, but had pretty good reviews. Hopefully that doesn't bite me in the ass. They use more tape. Obviously the 4 pieces. And then the 2 crossbars to fit across the stock rails. Seem pretty stout, a little bit. I thought they looked a little more cheap in the picture, so I'm glad they feel pretty decent. Some Destructions, hardware, and here are your 2 cross pieces. Right. On the other side. Be a good idea. Let's just affix it for now. Oh, no foot room. Thule. Holy box. Sweet. Boom. Now it's time to see if it'll fit in the garage. Oh, that is close. Yes! Overall impressions, nice. Gonna go take it for a drive and see if there's any issues, and hopefully the wind noise is minimal. It's really weird having something on top of the car. I'm so sweaty, holy crap. My wife and I agreed it made sense to get something like this just because we will be taking some longer trips with our daughter now, and yeah, at 60, there's a little bit of noise up there, but I'm not mad at it. It's not bad. Might be a little bit better once I get some weight in it, just so that it's not flexing and stuff so much. It's cool because I got the panoramic sunroof, so I can see all the connections and everything. It's not like it's blind to me, so I can see the clamps and make sure that everything's like not loose or whatever, which is really nice. I didn't even think about that going into this. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Just needed to go for a quick test, see how it sounded. I'm sure with just the bars, pretty close to standard driving experience. I don't think I'd hear it at all. I am really upset I can't get in the garage though. I mean, it is a half an inch.
That's what she said.
I didn't measure, but I did some rough math, and there's no way it's gonna fit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try and do some more stuff like this. It'd be nice to lower it a little bit and get the ride height looking a little bit better. It's a daily commuter right now, so it kind of makes sense. And with all the fucking seriously, with all the rig stuff that I do, it is nice to have that extra suspension travel just to dampen things a little bit and make videos just a little smoother. I could probably adjust accordingly with my Tilta arm and make things look pretty smooth. Yeah, it'll be nice for like if we go on a camping trip. We don't really camp, but if we go on a trip, need to throw the stroller up there, luggage, things that I can't really fit if I take all my camera gear. Yeah, I just got to remember not to pull in the garage. That's the big thing. Just don't pull in the damn garage when you get home, because you will rip this thing off. But if I got some springs, I could fit in the garage just barely. Or if I gained like 100 pounds. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. A little bit sweaty, but where's that bucket bed?
Go look at it.
Okay, we're going to run away. Phew, I'm sweating. Check out my box. It's huge, big box. Bet you didn't see that coming. This is my box. It's gonna go on top of the Tiguan.
Yeah, can you say hello? Can you say hello? Oh yeah, hello, hello, hello. Yeah.
Don't know what's next. Depends on what Amanda will let me buy. So it'd be nice if it was. Word. If you're hearing this, hopefully she'll let me buy some lowering springs or something.